Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Microsoft, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin investing with Microsoft, first, familiarize yourself with the company. Understand Microsoft's business model, including its products and services. Research Microsoft's financial performance over the past few years. Review key metrics such as revenue, profit margins, and earnings per share. Next, decide how much money you want to invest. Set a budget that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a brokerage that offers access to Microsoft shares and has favorable fees. Provide the necessary information to set up your account, including identification. Fund your brokerage account by linking your bank account or transferring funds. Once your account is funded, search for Microsoft's stock ticker symbol, which is Microsoft. Analyze the current stock price and trends to make informed decisions. Consider whether you want to buy shares outright or explore options like fractional shares. Place a buy order for Microsoft shares through your brokerage platform. Select the number of shares you want to purchase based on your budget. Review your order details before confirming the transaction. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about Microsoft's performance. Keep an eye on overall market conditions and Microsoft news that may impact the stock. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or company announcements. Think about your long-term investment strategy and whether to hold or sell shares. Evaluate your investment periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay patient and disciplined as stock prices fluctuate over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.